If you are getting the GPU configuration warning in DaVinci Resolve, here is how to fix it. If you are stuck on the error page, first click on Update Configuration. But if DaVinci Resolve opens normally, then go to the top menu bar, click on DaVinci Resolve, and then click on Preferences. This will open the Settings panel. In the Preferences window, switch to the Memory and GPU section. Now, under the GPU configuration area, uncheck the auto box next to GPU processing mode. If you are using an NVIDIA GPU, then make sure it is set to CUDA, and if you are using an AMD GPU, then set it to OpenCL. Also, uncheck the GPU selection auto option. After that, look at the list and make sure your graphics card is selected. If you do not see your GPU in this list, then the issue is with your graphics driver. In that case, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. When it opens, look for Display Adapters and click to expand it. You should see your graphics card listed here. If you do, right-click on it and choose Update Driver. Then click on Search automatically for drivers. Let the update complete if one is found. Once done, close Device Manager. Now go back to DaVinci Resolve and repeat the first steps. This should fix the warning. That is it.